this is Cryptocurrency Shops here, coming to you on a live stream showing the Bitcoin chart. Got up this morning. I've been noticing this strength moving upwards right now. A lot of people calling for this to turn back the other way. There's a few of them that are calling it to keep going. If you look at this chart right now, this is nothing but a bull run in the making. If it wants to be false, it can come back down. I will go over another chart and just going to go over a few things here right now. We got the president election coming up. We have the debate coming up. The stock market is open and up. Charts are showing very, very upwards in my point of view so far. The past probably 3 months, past 3 to 6 months, I think crypto's been on the bull run. That's just my opinion. I've seen the charts in my eyes that's showing the upwards trend. It hasn't showed me anything to come down yet. Yes, we have our dips. We have our moments, but right now I'm excited. We're at about 12,450 on the Bitcoin chart. You can look at these MAC closings on the 50, 100, and 200. They're all cycling up. If I can go out a little bit here, you look at the charts. I mean, this is showing. To me, it's starting to put in that wedge pattern, and I'm going to keep an eye out for those higher lows. Those higher lows in the next several months will show me if it breaks our old high of 20,000, comes back and dips down to about 11 and 12, which would be right about here on the tops of our wedges. This is my wedge pattern right now that I'm seeing. And if you scroll out, if I scroll out, let's see here. I hope you'll see it in there. I'll see it in the smaller views. Let's go back to where I was. I don't even know what I was on. Maybe a 1 month, maybe a 3 month. So I think this was it right here. Possibly. Gosh, that's silly, huh? I should pay attention. Anyway, I'll find it again. I'll put it back in there, find out where I was looking at that wedge pattern to follow those upward trends. So when I do look at my wedge patterns, I will look at them to be continuous on all charts, whether they're happening on the 1 month, 3 month, the 6 month. They'll be continuous in my opinion, and they will all be continuous on higher lows with their own chart and progressively getting bigger on the bigger charts. That's just something I look at. I'm sure it's not always accurate, but it's something that I like to follow because it shows me consistency on the upwards trend. And until something breaks through a channel that I show or post on one of my videos or one of the charts I'm looking at, then I'll change my mind and go the other way. I don't have any channels built on Bitcoin. I haven't done enough on it to put up my channels. Maybe I'll do that soon. But right now, I think we're on a strong pull. Everything's pushing up. I have them on the XRP chart, which I'll go to here in a minute, which I think we broke about 25 cents. My charts in my previous videos and my postings up on our Twitter has been showing the upwards trend breaking an hour close above 26.2. And it begins at like 25.7, and then my break downwards trend is somewhere I think like 21.7 or 21.9, going to like 23.2, something like that. It's not as fine tuned as my upwards chart. And when you look at my patterns, or you look at the patterns, and everything's been right in between those channels, and they've been pretty consistent. I don't know if it's just trying to shake out some weak hands. There's a lot of information out there. There's a lot of news. There's a lot of people posting it. I can't keep up with these guys. They're really good. Everybody else out there that I follow and look at, I look at a mix of everything. I don't hit one thing. I'm not just one niche. I look at so many different things. My brain can get fried at times, and I'm sure those guys understand it too. There's some of these guys that I follow. They put out some great information. I recommend you follow them. you share them, you like them. They got there's some good people in this cryptocurrency market, man. They're great. I mean, I'll throw some names out there, but I don't want to leave anybody out. So until I put my notebook in front of me and mark them all off, I don't want to just give a couple names and not give the others, because I feel like I'd be doing a disservice from the ones I follow if I forgot one. But anyway, we're on a Bitcoin chart. I'm going to try to stay with you just a little bit. I'm not going to try to make this video too long. I just want to go over the Bitcoin. It looks like we have a pump coming here. I want to see some of the old guys out there on YouTube come out with a live stream. I'd love to chat with some of you on it because I love listening to you guys live. I love picking up on some of the things you guys say, your thoughts, your ideas, your theories. Here's the other thing. You people can comment all the time about they're wrong, they're right. They're in it. All right? They're in this. Can you say the same thing? You can discredit what they're doing, but they're out there taking a risk, man. They're out there taking a risk. They're taking the time. They're doing their due diligence. Nobody's right all the damn time. Nobody's gonna be right all the damn time. Again, I'm not naming names on anybody. They're all good. They're all doing something for the better. They're out there trying to help you, trying to get you informed, trying to help you understand what's going on out there. And I'm going to back these guys 100%. I don't care if they make the wrong call 5 times in a row. Why are you watching them? Why do you care? Go make your own discoveries. Man up. You know what I mean? That's my words. Man up. Go do it. You like to follow people? Well, why you follow them in the first place? Let's go. My videos are going to be real, man. I don't care. I call people out. I tell them how it is. That's how we all got here. We ain't scared. None of us are scared. We've been in this market for so long. We're ready. We see things happen. We know what's going on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this trend. This Bitcoin trend. Come on, guys. We're at 12,464. Not too long ago. Let's see. Let's look at that 1-year chart. Look at this. Look where we were, guys. 3,800. I remember a lot of you talking about this right here. If it comes to 5,000, I'm buying some. If it comes to 7,000, I'm getting some. Are you? Are you really? Did you get some? Did you get someone who went to 5? Did you get someone who went to 38? You getting some now? I'm not just a Bitcoin maximalist, man. It's not just all about Bitcoin, but it's showing me it's ready to go again. Fake out? Fine. Guess what? Let's go scroll out and look at the bigger picture again. You know, there's a lot of regulation happening, people. You got to wake up. Stop reading just the headlines. Go look at what's going on. Go look at these other countries and what they're doing. We don't want to fall behind. Whether we are or not, we're getting psyched out to make it feel like we are. I have no idea. Keep an eye out on this. This is one heck of a trend line right here if you put one in, if you want to start from that low. Might have been the last weekend. We might drop to 1,000 again. I don't know. Here's the other thing. If it does, there's people making money. You can bash it all you want. I've been watching people bash this for years. But have you followed the trends? Have you followed these people playing the market? I'm not a big player, but I love to play it when this market gets active. I sit back and hold because I'm more of a long term. All right, this is my retirement plan. This is what I'm in for. I'm not playing. I'm not investing in those markets anymore. I'm not letting you control. I'm going to control it. That's what cryptocurrency is all about, folks. You control it. You control everything you own. Don't leave it out on the markets. You own it. It's nice to have something that you have control of, that somebody else isn't playing it for you. If you need help, there is people out there that can still do this. There's investment groups out there for you for cryptocurrency. People don't realize that yet. There's so much to learn. I could start from basics, right, and go up. And I'm not the most intelligent person on this field. I'm not going to be able to give you everything or even probably half of it. There's so much out there. But I feel like I got a good handle on some things, and I'm happy with it. I'm trying to learn every day, all right? I learn, I listen, I watch, I read. I feel like I got my 3-year degree in it, 3.5-year degree in it already, but it's coming. Let's see here. I'm going to switch over to, I'm going to go over to this XRP chart. But I was hoping to see if we broke out of 12.5. Let's sit here just for a few minutes. What do we got? Another, if we go to the month chart and go to this hourly chart, let's see where we're at. Here's a 1-hour chart. We got 5 minutes. 5 more minutes. Excuse me. 5 more minutes until that hourly candle. And I got that stinking thing right there blocking me. Let's see. Waiting for that hourly chart. I'll come back to it. I'm going to go over to the XRP.